Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to find apps and websites connected to Google through your Gmail account or mobile. The first thing to do is open up your Gmail account, tap on your profile picture at the top right corner, tap on Google account, and then you choose security, and you scroll down until you see connected. Yes, your connection to third-party apps and services. Tap on it, and then your next thing you're going to do is review all the apps to see all these apps are the ones that are connected or that have access to your Google account. Review the list carefully and revoke anyone if necessary. If there's anyone you're not using access there, you can simply revoke it. So I'm checking it out. So all of them are supposed to have access. Let's say I want to revoke this one. Tap on it, and then after seeing it, delete all your connections, confirm. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more.